If you clicked on this video, you probably find it hard to make any kind of meaningful progress on your projects. Watch this video till the end to find out how to actually make progress on them. To make any kind of progress on your coding projects, you need to focus on them for long periods of time. This is where most people go wrong. They work for 3 hours every day, but their work time is being divided into time for coding, time for video editing, maybe some graphic design, or UI UX design. This means that even though you're working for all of them, you're not really making any kind of progress on any of them. Now, there are two solutions to this problem. Either you work for longer periods of time, or you prioritize certain interests over others. The first solution doesn't work for most people because most people just don't have a few extra hours every day to work. But the second one might actually be feasible. So to apply the second solution in your own life, first you need to make a list of all your interests. Then you need to prioritize on the 3 interests that are really going to make an impact on your life. Then drop the rest. Of course, you can work on your other interests when you have the free time, but the 3 main interests are the one you are going to be working on daily. In my case, these interests are school, coding, and YouTube. By having only 3 commitments, you will not be able to work on everything, but you will make meaningful progress on the ones that really matter to you. If you gained any kind of value from this video, be sure to consider subscribing because I might like my other videos too. Thank you for watching.